Ribbon blackout. Welcome to Shade Tree Hot Rods, where today we are comparing the modifications I've made to the Benelli 302S, such as the no exhaust and the longer gear ratio, or the larger front sprocket. We are going to compare and see if it's actually faster down the 8th mile. And I'm going to go ahead and make the assumption that the problem is driver skill. So we'll see how it goes. Let's get to it. We're here for testing tune. We're the first ones here. I mean, track doesn't go hot till 6. It's like 5:20 now, 5:30. But yeah, we got here a little early. I ain't got no tech cards yet, so we'll just hang out, let the bike cool off a little bit, and may not be too busy. That'd be nice.
On your motorcycle.
Yep. You wanna give me some knuckles for good luck?
They don't ride that on your motorcycle.
Well, it ain't gonna be fast, but at least I'll have some fun. I'll be right back, buddy, okay? I love you.
I love you.
I'll be right back, okay?
They don't have a ride on your motorcycle.
I'm gonna be on my motorcycle, yes sir. Got my own personal drag strip, it looks like. All by myself.
I got 88 right lane, it'll be a 410 Pro tree.
Bike in the south, huh?
Yes, sir.
I think I'm gonna go again. That was pretty bad. You take that to mom? Yeah. Hey man, I've always wanted a private racetrack.
Hey, there you go.
You are done?
I'm not done. I'll probably do it again. I got 10.5. I knocked off 4/10. She launched still though.
It was better than last one.
Yeah, it bogged real hard though. I need to slip it more. We have the track to ourselves, which is great.
The first one coming. Then we gotta go.
Pretend we're rich and we own it.
Yeah, we own this. I bought this actually. All right, so first pass was a 10.8 at 119 with a 2.5 60 foot. Absolutely ripping. Second pass, a 10.5 at 66 with a 2.4 60 foot. Now, the first one, I was not ready for the Pro Tree, as I never am. And then the second one, I didn't have revs on the first one. The second one, I had the revs, but I dropped the clutch basically, and it bogged and tried to pick up a little bit. So next time I go, 8,000 RPM and smoother clutch out. I think it'll be better. So I'm gonna let the bike cool off and try again. so I have ran 4 passes now, and I have not bested my runs with the short gear ratio. So my runs with the short gear ratio, or the factory, were like 10.3, 8th mile, you know, whatever. And now I'm running a 10.5. Like, that's the fastest I've run so far. That last run was a 10.7 because I bogged on the launch because I don't know what the heck I'm doing. And I'm losing it in my 60 foot. I'm losing a 10th and a half, I think, in my 60 foot. I'll have to compare. 1 second, bud. So I'm gonna have to figure out before my next pass how to make an actual launch with a longer gear ratio. Maybe I just need to go full peg and just slip the clutch good. I don't even know. I don't even know what I'm doing anymore. If I keep on like this, it's gonna be rip my clutch and I'm gonna have to get a new one. So it is what it is. Anyways, we're gonna let it cool off. We're gonna try again. Alright guys, well, this was our best pass of the day. We got a 10.48 at 72.
Okay, Dad.
Fastest mile per hour. I don't know how that happened, by like 8 miles an hour. But I'll take it. Yep, we're done, bud. So, I think the problem is I just don't know how to launch it with this longer gear ratio. Because I'm bogging really hard off the line. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. So I'm just going to have to do some testing in Mexico probably. And then come back out one other day. So yeah. Anyways, that's been today's drag racing video with the 302S. Mighty steed right here, all 40 horsepower, I think. Good little number. Did its job. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what you want to see. I can do some tutorial videos, or we got some more projects getting started here soon. So, till next time, we've been Shade Tree Hot Rod. See you later.